What's up guys, it's Chris and welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Panama City, Panama, and let me just tell you, this place is absolutely insane. I got here yesterday around 2 p.m. so I didn't get to see much of the city, but today I'm going to be taking you guys around the old city, over to the Panama Canal, and see what other kind of things we can get into. And now we're off. We're about to walk down the coast here for a couple hours. Yo, I forgot to mention, check out how deep we're rolling today. So we just took a quick stop here at the Plaza de la Democracia, and this place is sick. I definitely recommend it to come take some pictures, and it's a nice place to come walk. Check the skyline out. So I'm really enjoying this walk along the coast right now, but guys, if you guys decide to visit Panama City, walk around with another t-shirt, check me out. It's pretty bad, but the coastline definitely makes up for it. As we're walking down the coast, guess what we just stumbled across? A Panama sign, so you know we had to stop and take some awesome Instagram pictures. Check this out. Oh shoot, look what we just stumbled across. It's a party, I think. Maybe a party?
In the fish market.
In the fish market, party in the fish market. Sweet, so that was pretty cool. According to one of the locals, today is a local fisherman's holiday here in Panama City. Pretty sweet to stumble across stuff like that. Right now we're finally in Casco Viejo. After our hour walk along the coast, we finally made it here to the old city. But the first thing that we're on the hunt for right now is a restaurant with air conditioning, because we're slowly melting away. So right now we just stumbled across the Plaza de la Independencia, and man, this place is so beautiful. There's a big cathedral right behind me right now. I don't know what the name of it is, but I'll put it right here. Now we're back on the hunt for a good restaurant with air conditioning, because like nothing's changed in the last 5 minutes. I'm still dying. So we just got done eating and refreshing ourselves with a little bit of air conditioner. Man, this Milano restaurant, highly recommend if you come to Panama City. Right now we're about to finish our walk through the old city, head over to this Panama Canal that's supposed to be amazing. Check it out and yeah, see what this day has to offer. So like everywhere else in South and Central America, where we are standing right now is Simon Boulevard Park. This place is beautiful, a great central area here in the old city, and right in front of another beautiful cathedral. Check this one out, guys. Here's a great rule of thumb for any of you that are planning on backpacking South America. Anytime you see a park that says Simon Boulevard Square, it's pretty much a nice little local area where tourists to hang out, and you can usually find pretty good restaurants, and that's what we went for today. Alright guys, so now we're about to jet out of the old city. We're on our way to the Panama Canal right now, so we'll see you guys there. Sweet guys, so we just arrived here to the Panama Canal. I actually can't see the canal from where we're standing right now, but we're waiting for some friends to get out of their Uber, and we're gonna slowly make our way over to this awesome, what would you call it, man-made river?
Yeah, exactly.
I guess we're all here pretty stoked to see a man-made river. Sweet, so we just made it to the entrance of the canal, and it's $15 for adults, $10 for children. I'm not going in because I'm a cheap ass, but supposedly inside there they have a great terrace where you can see the canal perfectly from, a restaurant, movie theater I believe, where they show you how they built the canal. But $15 is a little bit too much for my budget, but check this out. So now we're off to find our own viewpoint, and hopefully we get lucky and that works out for us, because I would be really upset if we just paid $10 for an Uber ride and got all the way over here just to not see a canal. To be honest though, I really don't know how to feel right now. Like, it's raining, it's 35 degrees, I feel sticky, I smell a bit, but we're going on with the day. So we couldn't find our own sweet viewpoint, but I think we did find a cool place to have some fun at. Yeah, right, dude, I'm totally not going into there. All right, so we just got done giving up on our little mission to go find our own viewpoint. So we're about to go to the front entrance right now, pay the $15 and see what this museum has to offer. Damn! Oh, was that not funny? No? All right, that's a damn look, check it out. Here we go again. Sweet, so we just paid the hefty $15. We got our tickets and we're on our way, guys.
Oh man, that's worth it right there.
Sweet, so we just made it on the 4th floor of this place, and we're about to see what the view looks like from up here, because I wasn't too impressed with the 1st floor. Oh man, check it out, check it out. Yo, this is actually really, really cool, to be honest. I'm joking, guys. Do not spend your $15 on this. What do you think about the canal, man?
That's beautiful, man.
He's so full of it. He's so full of it. Do not come up here, guys. You can do better things with your $15, to be honest. What do you guys think about the canal?
Your mum's trying to get them to have the wedding in America. Hey, the canal's amazing right now. I'm on my phone really enjoying things.
No, I think it's truly amazing, actually.
So it's definitely not the best place, guys, but just like he was saying earlier, you don't want to be standing outside the canal and not come into the canal.
Yeah, you're walking by, you gotta check it out. Not saying if you like it or not, but you'd never forgive yourself if you didn't. I know I wouldn't.
You know what, to be fair, it is pretty impressive. I mean, this thing's 82 kilometers long and 34 meters wide, so pretty cool, pretty cool. And it's only about 40 years old. 40 years old, I believe. So with your $15, you also get entrance into this pretty sweet little museum here on the 1st floor. It's all right, you know, I'm not really a big museum person, but it's pretty cool to come check out all the history about the canal and see how they built it. Man, they even have all the different kinds of rocks that can be found inside this canal. Check it out. Pretty cool. All right, guys, so we just got back into an Uber and we're heading back to our hostel right now. And to be honest, I would not recommend the canal, but it's one of those things that you have to do when you're in Panama. But yeah, this is how you end up leaving. He's very disappointed. So for me, it was like probably the worst $15 I've ever spent, but for you, it might be the best. So give it a shot.